How to fix this file format is not supported in WhatsApp problem. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now first thing first, make sure your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store or App Store. Simply search for WhatsApp. As you do so, make sure that you see open here instead of update. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now in my case, I'm going to go ahead and launch my WhatsApp application. Now, as it is so, in order to solve this problem of unsupported file format, let's go ahead and open up any chat. Now, once done, in order to send a video or attachment, tap on this link icon just beside the camera icon. In order for WhatsApp to recognize your file type, make sure that you select Gallery for Gallery and Document for Documents. For instance, if you are sending videos or photos, you may go ahead, tap on Gallery and do so. If you are sending important files, do that in Document. Now, if it's still not solving your problem, then you can also try compressing that document. At times when the file size is very huge or big, WhatsApp will say file unsupported. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.